Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, GitLab and Telegram. So the use case here is, whenever there is a new comment in GitLab, we want to send messages in Telegram automatically. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So GitLab is a platform for developers, whereas Telegram is a messaging app. So the problem here is that GitLab and Telegram don't have any integration between them. And that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect, a third-party application software to integrate both these software applications. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here we are at Google and now I'm going to go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and from this product section I'm going to go to this connect. Okay, so now I'm going to sign in to my account. Now because I have already signed in, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your own account just in 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. So now I'm going to scroll down over here and here you can see connect. So I'm going to click on access now. Okay, so now let's create a new workflow by clicking on this button over here. Okay, so I'm going to name it as GitLab to Telegram. Okay. So here in this workflow, what we are going to do is we are going to integrate GitLab with Telegram using Pabbly Connect. So first I'm going to integrate GitLab with Pabbly Connect and then I will integrate Telegram with Pabbly Connect. So first I'm going to choose GitLab over here, this one. Okay, so now in choose method, I have to select new comments because according to our workflow, whenever there is a new comment in GitLab, we want to send Telegram messages. So here, this new comment is our trigger method. So now you might have a question that what is trigger? So let me explain you. Automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, whenever there is a new comment in GitLab, we want to send a message in Telegram. So here, comment in GitLab is our trigger, whereas sending a message in Telegram is our action. So I'm going to click on new comments over here. Okay, so now when you clicked on new comments, you might have seen these other trigger methods also. So if you want, you can choose the other trigger methods according to your need. If you don't get the trigger method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger of your choice. Okay, so now you can see this webhook URL over here. What is webhook? So webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So what we do is after we choose an app and the method over here, we have to copy this webhook URL from here and you have to go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is GitLab over here. So you can see these instructions are written over here. So read these instructions carefully and we are going to follow it. Okay, so I'm going to copy this webhook URL from here. Okay, so now you can see this, go to your project setting and then go to webhooks. So I've already opened my GitLab account and I have already created this project called GitLab to Telegram integration. So you have to open up your project over here and then you have to go here to settings and you can see this webhooks over here. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so this is the webhooks page over here. We'll go back to Pabbly Connect and read the instructions. Copy the webhook link above and paste it in the URL field. So I'll copy this and let me paste it over here. Okay, choose comments from trigger section. Okay, so here you can see trigger. I have to choose comments. Okay, so we have done. So now I'm going to add webhook. So you can see we have successfully enabled our webhook over here. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to capture the webhook response. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we'll go back to our GitLab account and we are going to add a comment in our project and we'll see if Pabbly Connect captures the data or not. So I'll come back to GitLab. So here is my project. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. Okay, so I'm going to write a comment over here. Started working on the project from today. Okay, so I'm going to comment. Okay, so you can see we have successfully commented on this project over here. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and see if it has captured this comment data or not. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see we have got the webhook response. You can see GitLab to Telegram integration. That was our name of the project. And where is our comment? It's here. Started working on the project from today. Okay, so I'm going to save it. Okay. So now we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of GitLab and Pabbly Connect. Now we'll begin with our second step integration of Telegram and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here and I'm going to choose Telegram over here, this one. Okay, so now in choose method, again you can see there are many action methods available over here. You can choose whichever you want, but according to our workflow, as soon as there is a new comment in GitLab, we want to send a text message or a reply. So I'm going to click on this because this is our action method over here. So I'm going to connect with Telegram bot. Okay, credentials, you don't have to worry. Token. So here you can see this word written as token. So what is token? Token is a kind of credential which helps you to build a connection between two software applications. Here, in this case, we are going to connect Telegram and Pabbly Connect. So you can read the instructions over here. Please remember that you have to follow all these instructions in order to get your token. So first instruction says that you have to go to Telegram and search for bot father. So I've already opened my Telegram over here. So I'll search for bot father. So you can see this bot father with an official tag. So I'm going to click on it. So I'm going to start it. Okay, so you can see as soon as we have sent the start message, it has started sending us some messages. Okay, so I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. The second instruction says that to create a new bot, type /new bot to the message box and press enter. Okay, so I'm going to type /new bot. So this /new bot is going to help us to create a new bot. Okay, so now it is asking us to name this bot. So I'm going to name it as GitLab integration. Okay. So now it is asking us to select a username. So I'll write it as GitLab _ Telegram 011 _ bot. Okay, so it has accepted our username. Remember, you have to add this bot in the end of your username. Otherwise, it will reject your username. Okay, so now you can see done. Congratulations on your new bot. You will find it at this link. So you can find your new bot when you click on this link. We needed the token and that is what it is here. So I'm going to copy it from here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it. So now this token is going to help us to build a connection between Telegram and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to save it. Okay, so now here you can see we have some empty fields and now we are going to map the details that we have got from this API over here. Okay, so first is chat ID. So for that I have to go back to my Telegram and now what you have to do is you have to create a group where you have to make your new bot as the admin. So first what I have to do is I have to add my new bot to my conversations. So I'm going to click on this link and I'm going to click on start. So we have got our new bot in our conversations. Now let's create a new group. So I'll search for my bot, GitLab. So it is here. Next. So let us name this as GitLab to Telegram. Create group. Okay, so you can see we have created a group over here. Now make sure that you have to make your new bot as the admin of the group, and you can do that by using your mobile phone. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, in order to get our chat ID, what we have to do is you have to go back to your URL over here. So now we'll copy this from here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Now remember, the chat ID has to be a 13-digit ID. But the chat ID that we copied from Telegram is only 10 digits. So that is why what we are going to do is we are going to add 3 more digits in the front. So they are going to be 100. Okay, one more thing, this chat ID has to be negative. So I'm going to put a hyphen over here. Okay, so now this is 13-digit chat ID. Okay, so now text message. Now in place of text message, I'm going to write, you have a new comment in your project. So I'm going to map the title of the project, that is this. And then I will map the comment. The comment is here, this one. Okay, so parse mode, disable notifications, disable link previews, don't worry about it. Save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got the API response. That means we have successfully integrated GitLab with Telegram. So I'm going to save it. Okay, now let's go back to Telegram and see if a new message is there or not. So I'll go to Telegram. Okay, so you can see we have a new message over here. You have a new comment in your project. GitLab to Telegram integration started working on the project from today. Okay, so now let me show you this again with one more example so that you can understand how this process takes place in real time. Okay, so I'll go back to GitLab and I'm going to add one more comment over here. Finished the project today. Okay, so I'm just going to comment it. Okay, so we have added one more comment over here. Let's go back to Telegram and see if there's a notification there or not. So I'll go to Telegram. Here you have a new comment in your project GitLab to Telegram integration. Finished the project today. Okay, so now let me go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. Okay. So in our example, what would have happened? First, the information went from GitLab to Pabbly Connect and then it went from Pabbly Connect to Telegram. So now whenever there is a new comment in a project in GitLab, a text message or a reply will be sent in Telegram. So we have successfully integrated GitLab and Telegram bot using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.